Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to move money from your Scotia credit card to your bank account, whether it's for an emergency or just extra flexibility. I've got you covered. In this quick guide, I will show you how to transfer money from your Scotia credit card to your bank account. Before you begin, check your cash advance limit. This is the maximum amount you can transfer from your credit card. You can find this information in your Scotia Bank app or online banking portal. Next, log into your Scotia Bank account via the app or website. Look for the cash advance option under your credit card details. Enter the amount you'd like to transfer, keeping in mind any fees and interest rates that may apply. Then select the bank account where you want to deposit the funds. Double check all the details, then confirm your transfer. The funds should be available in your account almost immediately, but processing times can vary. To keep track of your balance and avoid extra interest, check your transaction history regularly. Remember, cash advances often come with higher fees, so it's best to pay them off as soon as possible. And that's it. Transferring money from your Scotia credit card to your bank account is simple and quick. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching.